Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is July the 3rd and our devotion today is Embracing Difference. God works in different ways, but it is the same God who does the work in all of us. 1 Corinthians 12:6. We live in a world that still values certain things over others. This makes us believe that some things we do have more importance than others. We often apply this way of thinking to the way we see ourselves within the context of our Christian family. At church, we make certain gifts seem more important. It's critical to understand that there are differences in the way people think, act, and feel. These differences all are used by the Spirit to do something great. We serve God in different ways, but we serve the same God. Jesus, I am sorry where I placed certain gifts and talents in some kind of hierarchy. Help me to see the worth of every single person who contributes towards your church. The nighttime devotion. We are all guilty of expecting God to work in a certain way and then feeling disappointed when He doesn't. Sometimes we are quick to judge whether God is or isn't working in other people. It's not our place to judge what God is doing. We are each accountable for our own thoughts, actions, and feelings. Be encouraged that God has given you something unique and that He wants you to be part of His greater works. The question of the day is, what spiritual gift has God given you? I myself am still trying to find it. Still trying to figure out what great gift God gave me. So if you know what your great gift is, leave me a comment and let me know. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye-bye.